And now let's talk about The Lawyers. Jolly LLB is a brand new movie that's coming to town, and we caught up with men concerned, Arshad Warsi and Baman Irani. And yes, all they do is talk law these days.
हो पैसे की हो बात तो कड़के बड़े बड़े बन जाते, पर ठन ठन गोपालों के भी होंगे स्विट्जरलैंड में खाते.
He is loud, lovable and bindas. Excited to meet him? Let's say hello to Jolly LLB.
Jolly is like he's a terrible lawyer, not just struggling lawyer. He's the kind of lawyer who's really bad at his job. He's not good at winning cases. There's no scope for him to win any cases. He's like good enough, probably barely good enough filling forms and stuff like that. That's about it.
कहाँ से LLB की आपने?
जी लॉ कॉलेज मेरठ.
ये PIL डाली आपने? हैं? अपील को एप्पल लिख रखा है इसके अंदर. Prostitution लिख रखा है.
Do you think lawyers make great liars?
I think that's a very unfair statement to make, because it kind of it sounds the sound of lawyer and liar and the way it's pronounced sometimes in India sounds like that. But that's very, very unfair. There are liars in every walk of life. We could be liars actors, or we could be liars in any profession. So I think it's a little unfair. But because the law is all about the truth, it's imperative that a lawyer is supposed to be truthful. An actor inherently is supposed to lie. He's supposed to pretend to be someone he's not. So he's allowed to lie. A lawyer is not.
मैडम जी बच्चा है, मासूम है. बच्चे का दिल रख लिया, डॉक्टर साहब ने उसे अंदर बुला लिया. लेकिन मैडम जी लड़के ने पेशेंट को हाथ तक नहीं लगाया. ये सबूत है मैडम.
Who is a better liar? Arshad is a better liar, or you are a better liar?
In real life, Arshad is a superb liar.
I knew destroy me.
In the movie,
Baman is. Yeah. And normally we get people cast us because of the way we are in real life. So,
which is?
He's a very good liar.
Case ही नहीं हुजूर. The only case is the victimization of my innocent client, Rahul Diwan.
It is said that justice delayed is justice denied. So why do these lawyers keep dragging the cases for years?
I really don't think it's lawyers who really do that. It's our system that makes you do that. The kind of paperwork that's required today for a simple job in our country is humongous. I'm sorry. Like I'll tell you, I need to buy a house. I need to break it down and make it. And I'm waiting for the last 2 years. And every month I get to give one paper just to get that thing done. 2 years. So this is how it is. And mine is just a house that I want to redo because it's infested with termites. So it's a new place. So you can imagine if that is going to take so long. Oh my God, our country needs help.
जगदीश त्यागी उर्फ जॉली ने अब कोर्ट में एक एफिडेविट देकर सनसनी फैला दी है.
Think practical यार. Practicality गई गधी के पिछवाड़े में. मुझे तो बस अभी लड़ना है.
Woman, I must ask you this: do Parsis make great lawyers?
They make great food.
Yeah, but I think we've made given the country some great doctors, great lawyers too. My son's father-in-law is lawyer, and I used to have these long conversations with him. I used to wonder why I'm asking him all these questions, because if I told him that I'm talking about doing research on a movie, he would have got on taken a different guard. So I kept asking him. He's a very successful lawyer himself. But yes, Parsis have made a pretty good name as lawyers and done very well in the judicial system.
मुझे इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा वकील बनना है. Famous, respected. मीडिया जिसके आगे पीछे लेफ्ट राइट दौड़ती रहे. कोर्ट रूम में घुसे ना तो हल्ला मच जाना चाहिए.
Arshad, we've read reports that you replaced Amir in Chambal Safari, and then now we hear that you've replaced Shah Rukh in Jolly LLB. The film was originally offered to Shah Rukh.
Apparently, no, I think it's not. Film originally was for me, but I couldn't meet them. Whatever happened, I went to Shah Rukh and then waited there for some time and came back to me. So that's how it is. Chambal Safari, apparently the director wanted Amir or something like that. So, or whatever might. I mean, I don't really know the details, but yes, it has come to me and I'm doing it.
Slammed him completely.
तुम गवाही दो या ना दो, मैं तो सच ढूंढ के निकालूंगा.
Arshad, everybody wants to do a film with Madhuri, but you said that you would look odd with Madhuri. Boman, I'm sure you would love to do a film with Madhuri. He says he would look odd with Madhuri. What's your take?
Madhuri.
Because I don't want to be Beauty and the Beast. I don't want to be Beauty and the Beast.
Arshad, don't say that about yourself.
I thought you were going to say, don't say that about her.
No, she's beautiful, and I think, it'd be very difficult to get a guy to look as good as her. It's when you look at Madhuri, it's not just the guy who thinks she's beautiful. Even women think she's beautiful.
Why do you call yourself a bad producer? I mean, you are a bad producer and a great actor. What is it?
I'll tell you. I'm a bad businessman, actually. I'm a bad businessman because what I do is that I indulge and I really I want my actors and my crew to have a great time. I want my director to have the freedom of whatever he wants. So I spend a lot of money.
लव रोमांस की बात करें सब दिलों जान उठा के काम है तो सब ठीक हनी तो चिंग में ठुक जमा गई मैं झूठ बोले ना देखी मैं कुफर तोले
Arshad, you said that your wife will dump you if you kiss like Imran Hashmi. You have similar restrictions back home.
Imran Hashmi,
Like Imran Hashmi.
Kiss Imran.
If he kisses like Imran Hashmi.
Like Imran. I think he can best kiss better than Imran Hashmi. You don't have to kiss like him.
No, I don't have to kiss like him. No, I mean, I think I've realized I've said a lot of things. No, I think I don't think Maria will be very happy if I end up kissing every actress or every co-star of mine.
You did steamy scenes with Manisha in Zilla Ghaziabad.
That's hardly anything. Hardly anything. You see the film. There's nothing in it actually. It is. It just looks like that, but it is not really like that. The only thing I've ever done in my life is a scene I did with Vidya. That's about it.
Thank you so much for joining us. With camera person Surendra Samina Razak in Mumbai for Headlines Today.